Good morning and welcome to the Australian Stock Reports online morning update for the 17th of October 2011. A push by G20 members to end Europe's debt crisis sent global markets soaring on Friday night and helped the S&P 500 log its biggest weekly gain in more than 2 years. Markets rallied ahead of the weekend's G20 summit, where the world's financial leaders warned EU officials to resolve the region's debt crisis within the next week. The potential for a resolution to the almost 3-year-old crisis has triggered a wave of optimism in recent weeks, raising hopes the global economy will avert another financial crisis. Over in the US, investors were buoyed by better-than-expected retail sales data, which came on the back of a super profit result from search engine giant Google. It was a sea of green on Friday night, with all the major equity indices lifting amid increasing optimism over the world economy. The US retail sales numbers buoyed commodities, with oil surging 3% on hopes a pickup in the pace of economic growth will spur energy demand. The renewed appetite for risk weighed heavily on the US dollar, which slipped against most of its major trading partners. Conversely, currencies tied to commodities were among the session's big winners, with the Aussie and Kiwi dollars both surging against the greenback. The SPY tracked the gains on Wall Street, adding more than 60 points to settle around the session's highs. Notably, the gains have pushed the index back towards a key resistance region between 42.70 and 42.85. Following Friday night's advance, the Aussie market is set to open around 60 points stronger this morning.
Get free access to our daily reports and recommendations now. Visit australianstockreport.com.au/try.